Do you want to know how you can log into your One Philly payroll account? If yes, then this video is exactly for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your One Philly payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Then go to the search bar to search for One Philly payroll login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of One Philly. Then what you need to do is write down your username on the first box. After you write down your username associated with your One Philly payroll account, go ahead and type in your password in the second box which is over here. Make sure to check your password once by clicking on this icon and then click Login. This way you can successfully log into your One Philly payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your username or password, this is the link which you want to click. You can also access the accessibility mode. You can see the accessibility mode which are standard and screen reader optimized. You can choose these and you can even choose the language. So it's not available now, so it might be available later. So guys, this is how you log into your One Philly payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.